everyone, welcome back. We're on our way to the Miami Gun Show, which is only 5 minutes from our house every single month. Can't beat that. Can't wait. We'll see you there in just a few minutes. So can't walk out of a gun show without getting something at least, and found this great deal on this Glock 19 carbine. Can't wait to put this to practice and do a review on it for everybody. And we actually got our hands on this really awesome Digi-Camo knife from the great folks at Vipertech from Blade City. So same thing, we'll do a review on that and fill you in on how well these products work for us and if they might be something that would be of interest to you. Look forward to doing these reviews, and we'll be back to you in just a moment. As soon as we got home, we had to put this together. We put our Glock 19 in here, and this just looks like so much fun. It looks awesome. We dry fired it a little bit, played around and tinkered with it, but we cannot wait to put a red dot sight on this, take it out to the range with some really big magazines, and just have some wonderful American fun with it. Can't wait to do a review on it for all of you to enjoy. Now we're going to close out here with a quick video from the knife we purchased at the show from Blade City.